Why do we love classic cars so much? Because they have petrol or diesel engines that burn fuel and are the character of the car, which means the exhaust is perhaps the most essential part of any classic car.
So what makes the perfect classic exhaust system? Well, first of all, correct fitment and tailpipe position. The car has to look right from the rear and most importantly, from underneath. Next is the tone. It has to be chosen to suit the period and the personality of the vehicle. You want the car to feel authentic, not overly modified. And as for material, always choose stainless steel wherever possible. Better corrosion resistance, a longer life, and much less worry for you, the owner. A Paramount exhaust always uses the best materials, has the most perfect finish, and of course mounts beautifully. So the system always looks right and feels like it belongs on the car. It's why so many enthusiasts choose a Paramount Performance Classic exhaust, because you're dealing with people who understand why small details matter. Classic owners don't want a random universal system, they want the right fit, the right tone, and the most perfect finish. You want to preserve the car's soul while improving quality, your confidence, and the durability of the entire system.
So if you're restoring, improving, or maintaining your classic, ask Paramount for the perfect exhaust system for your car.